Earth is Ghetto, episode 32. Mitochondrial Eve, mama's baby, daddy's maybe. They called her Eve. That was the first mistake. Because once people hear Eve, they stop listening and start imagining a Renaissance painting. But this Eve didn't live in a garden. She lived in Africa. Mitochondrial Eve is not the first woman. She wasn't the only woman alive. She wasn't special because of status. She's special because her maternal line didn't break. Every human alive today can trace their mitochondrial DNA back to one African mother. That's not philosophy. That's cell biology. Mitochondria are the power plants of your cells. They turn food and oxygen into energy. No mitochondria, no heartbeat, no thoughts, no movement, and mitochondria have their own DNA. That DNA comes from the mother only, not the father, not the last name, not the family tree on paper. The ovum brings the infrastructure. The sperm brings instructions. But the egg brings the power supply. Which means, biologically speaking, life doesn't start with sperm. It starts with storage. And honestly, science just gave new meaning to an old blues truth. Mama's baby, daddy's, maybe. Shout out to Swamp Dogg. Africa holds the greatest human genetic diversity on Earth. Everyone outside Africa carries a subset of that diversity. Race categories come later. Borders come later. Hierarchy comes later. Africa isn't a race, it's a root. You can rank people with arrival stories. You can't rank people who share the same mother. This isn't controversial because it's wrong. It's controversial because it collapses superiority. This isn't about being better. It's about being earlier. Africa isn't the throne, it's the library. And Eve isn't a queen. She's the receipt. Humanity didn't start with borders. It started with a mother. Earth is Ghetto. New episodes every Monday at 7 p.m.